ORIENT Flex multiplied reinforced silicone hose couplers. Straight or elbow hoses. 4-ply reinforced hose couplers, offering in straight couplers. Available in optional or customized lengths: 45, 90, 135, and 180 degrees. Transition hose couplers for connecting pipes at different positions or angles. Usually a solution for fitment and tight spaces. Reducer hose. Ideal for adapting between two sizes of pipes, or stepping up or down from the intercooler throttle body, or turbo inlets or outlets. Pump hose. Designed to help compensate for expansion movement, vibration, and help reduce the chance of your hard pipes becoming disconnected or damaged. T-shaped hose couplers. Designed to provide a convenient additional coolant and turbo intake plumbing. Corrugated hose. This hose provides superior bonding in hose internals, extremely high flexibility, and suitable for connection in more complex situations. Vacuum hoses and heater hoses. This kind of hose is pretty flexible with widely used, especially for transferring hot air or water in a long distance. The silicone hoses are widely applied to auto performance, heavy-duty truck coach, marine, industrial, construction, especially for systems below. Firstly, CAC system, charging air cooler system. Secondly, coolant system, hose radiator upper and lower. Thirdly, turbocharging system, higher temperature turbocharger application. Silicone hose can be used for BMW, Audi, Benz, Volvo, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Ford, Yamaha, etc. Trucks such as Kamaz and Lada.